Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba Instant On 1430 16-port PoE switch. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. The Aruba Instant On 1430 switch is an entry-level, unmanaged Layer 2 Ethernet switch designed for plug-and-play operation. Let's get straight to the unboxing. In the envelope, you will find your quick start guide and safety, compliance and warranty documentation. In the side pocket, you will find a country-specific power cord. Also included is your standard 19-inch rack mount kit. The kit also includes 4 rubber feet for mounting the switch on the desk. There is nothing else in the box. Let's have a closer look at the switch. At the front, there are 16 1GB PoE capable ports. Here you have your port operation LEDs for link and PoE status, global switch status LED, and a max PoE status light. This switch model supports up to 124 watts of PoE budget, and if you exceed that limit, this LED will light up. At the sides and on the top of your switch, you have your airflow vents. Even though this switch is fanless, you should keep these unobstructed when operating the switch to prevent overheating. There is also a Kensington lock socket on the side. At the back is your power socket and a sticker with the serial number. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. See you next time!